The Ministry of Islamic Affairs of Saudi Arabia, in collaboration with the religious attaché at the Embassy of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in Dakar, Senegal, began a 4-day training of Imams and Islamic scholars on Monday at Al-Ihsan University. The training that brought together 100 participants, according to organizers, is geared towards brainstorming to share ideas and best practices in the promotion of the teachings of Islam and the Sunnah of Muhammad, peace be upon him. The course lecturer, Sheikh Professor Muhammad Bakid Al-Hujaili from Saudi Arabia, reiterated the importance of this training in enhancing the understanding of Islamic scholars in spreading the word of Allah. The Islamic faith, Professor Al-Hujaili highlighted, is the same no matter which country you are or how you look like. What is important is Muslims follow the teachings of Islam and the Sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him, with reference and true understanding of the books.
عقيدة أهل السنة والجماعة فهي واحدة منذ عهد النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. أي عقيدة لم تؤخذ من كتاب الله ولا من سنة رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم فهي باطلة. قال النبي عليه الصلاة والسلام: ستفترق هذه الأمة على 73 فرقة كلها في النار إلا واحدة. من هي؟ من كان على ما أنا عليه اليوم وأصحابي.
He commended the government of the day for the enabling environment for Muslims in the country. The President, Supreme Islamic Council, Cherno Esa Fode Dabo, and the Chancellor of Al-Ihsan University, Dr. Baba Sise, both underscored the importance of this refresher training for Imams and Islamic scholars in addressing emerging challenges, peace and stability among the Ummah.
These are the people who are our community leaders, who extend the message of the Almighty Allah to the people. So helping them to build their capacity, that is very, very important. So I would like to give our special thanks and appreciation to Ministry of Islamic Affairs in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and also the government of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for the role that they are doing for Islam all over the world.
ونحن في غامبيا والحمد لله قد حظينا بهذه الدورات المتتالية، وما ذلك إلا لأن الجو الغامبي قابل لهذه الدورات ولهذه المناسبات، والأئمة الخطباء في أمس الحاجة إلى هذه اللقاءات مع أصحاب الفضيلة، أصحاب الخبرة في التعليم والدعوة إلى الله، من أجل شهد هممهم وزيادتهم بالمعلومات التي يحتاجون إليها في أداء رسالتهم.
Participants commended the Saudi government under the leadership of King Salman for the continuous support in rolling out such training. They prayed for the already existing cordial relations between Saudi and Banjul to grow from strength to strength. Sheikh Mubarak Al-Hanayya from Saudi is among the delegates in ensuring the training course is well coordinated. Khadijatu Jallo reporting.